a methodological tool to help communities achieve spatial justice. We are an interdisciplinary and diverse team of activists, students, professionals, and community leaders based in the UK and Colombia. Our work started on an international partnership with equivalence between the neighborhood of Moravia in Medellin, Colombia, and students from the Master's Program Building and Urban Design in Development at University College London. We are applying for this fellowship because we believe that we can contribute to the debate around different forms of institutional practices and their potential for socio-spatial transformations. We believe that active and organized communities are institutions in their own right, and their participation is essential to achieve just urban transformation. The state of exception, where state institutions do not only regulate informality but also produce it by deciding what is lawful or legitimate and what is illegal or informal, leads to institutionalized predatory practices in real estate and land markets, and exacerbates spatial violence in the form of forced evictions and resettlements. As a global process, it affects communities in the most diverse contexts, and has an active role in deepening inequalities and in producing spaces of marginalization, particularly in the Global South. As part of our research on this matter, we had the opportunity to work in an international partnership in the neighborhood of Moravia in Medellin, Colombia. What has been happening in this neighborhood is a reflection of these processes and dynamics. On the one hand, Moravia's spatial consolidation has been marked by a process of institutional violence in the form of constant threats of eviction. On the other, community organization and engagement has led to achieve positive socio-spatial transformation, which has been reflected in the crystallization of a range of projects for the benefit of the community. Despite the continued threat to their livelihood and the dissolution of the neighborhood, the community has organized a series of strategic actions which have prevented further violation of the spatial fabric of the neighborhood. Our work in Moravia has reinforced our vision that socio-spatial practices at community level should be recognized as public institutions, and their active role in the construction of the city should be equally acknowledged. For the purpose of our research, we want to explore the following aspects: community dynamics, institutional practices within the context, and strategies to secure habitats and livelihoods.